Hi, I'm Elizabeth Sims. I'll be teaching our writing course on the Mystery and Thriller Cruise with Royal Caribbean and Go Travel. I just toured this ship and it's fantastic. I can't wait. The amenities, the cabins, the whole situation is just wonderful. It'll be very conducive to a fantastic experience. Learning about mysteries, thrillers, writing them, that's going to be my part of the story. And my colleagues, Kelly and Jeff, will be sharing all kinds of cool blood and guts stuff, real stuff from the trenches, working with bodies and crime and real stuff. So that should be a cool part of the whole situation. There is an unquenchable thirst for story out there, and you are so lucky if you've got the drive to write, to satisfy that. And that's what we aim to satisfy with the work that we'll be doing together. We'll be going over the elements of mysteries and thrillers, some basic good stuff about those genres, and also crime fiction and allied genres. We'll be working together on writing flow. I've got some good techniques and actually, frankly, some fast hacks on getting to the kernel of the story that you want to tell and get a whole real story out of it, a whole novel even, a whole book. That's what we do. That's what we're going to be working on. So this is going to be a 7-night cruise, Western Caribbean, on the Oasis of the Seas. It's a fantastic ship. I've never been involved in anything that was as fantastic of value and offered so much as this cruise is going to offer you. Between my colleagues and me, the prices are unbelievable. They include everything, your cruise, lots of extras, and all the interactions with us. Instructional things, question and answer sessions, all kinds of informal opportunities as well that you'll have to bring any kind of questions, concerns, special interests of yours. We're going to be here for you, so it'll be a lot of fun. So check out the deals on the website. You're going to find out what a fantastic value this is, and you'll get all the information you need. Being together on the ship should be a fantastic experience. I'm so looking forward to it. I hope to see you.